Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Natural Healthy Remedies, and today I'll be teaching us how to clear whiteheads, clogged pores. This is a natural scrub that is going to help clear your skin and make you look good. Well, I'm going to be using honey, coffee, any brand of coffee is okay, and this is our bowl, our mixing bowl, and this is our baking soda. Yes, you can use baking soda or rice flour, but I prefer to use baking soda. I have my other materials here, but I prefer us to use baking soda. This is a great coffee scrub for whiteheads, closed pores, and dull facial skin. All right, we know coffee has some it clears the skin. I don't want to talk much about the properties of these materials. Then honey is antibacterial, so it clears, give you a glowing skin. Then our baking powder does a lot. Then our last but not the least material is our toothpaste. You can, any toothpaste of your choice is fine. I prefer to use this, okay, but any toothpaste of your choice, whatever the color, is fine. All that is needed is for you to know how to mix this and how to work with it. So let's prepare our solution. Are we ready? So our first ingredient will be our baking soda. Any portion is all right, any portion. Remember I said we can use, so our baking soda is right here. Then I'm going to add our coffee. This is our coffee. Like I said, the measurement is just as you like it, all right? That's our coffee. I remember this is a gold blend, so you can use any blend of coffee. Then we have our honey. This is my honey. Yeah. Then you mix together. Then we have our toothpaste. Just a little portion will do. All right. Yeah, just a little portion. Then we mix together. This works super well. Very effective. All right, very effective. Can make this your daily facial scrub. It clears clogged skin, whitehead, and it even clears oily skin, oily facial skin. So my friend, I hope you are going to try this, and you let me know what it does. Thank you. Bye.